Hey guys, we're back and we are going to Target right now. We both look awful.
Very awful.
But yeah, we're going to Target.
We're gonna get borax,
And
possibly, and glue. Try making slime, possibly.
Do you have food coloring?
I don't know. We might need food coloring too.
Alright, I'll probably look up the whatchamacallits. And it's currently...
It doesn't focus, right? But
6:55 and we're heading to Target with her mom. Let's see, this will be an adventure. What's up guys? So we're in Target now. The big hair like loose. But we're in the bra section. We just wanted to go somewhere where like no one would see us.
I don't mind vlogging.
I do. Like I don't care if you're holding the camera, but I don't think I could. But we have to try and find borax.
And glue.
That would be, and glue. So the glue would be in like the arts and crafts.
And we're not saying did we already say what we're making?
Yeah, the last clip. And obviously with the borax, they'd know.
You can make lots of things with borax.
And borax would be in like laundry, because it's laundry detergent. You have eyeliner all under that eye. Did you wear makeup today?
Not today. Well, not to school, but I was practicing my new eyeliner skills.
Alright, so we'll keep you posted. Okay guys, so we just got food coloring, 2 bottles of glue, and then Dominique is playing with a sewing machine, but we also have the borax. Someone is coming. She's playing with a sewer.
This is cute.
It is kind of cute.
Oh, that's nice.
Alright, so now we have to find... I just drift. We have to find Dominique's mom, and... I don't know what this girl's name. We have to find her mom, and yeah, it's now 7:31. And we're just finding...
Whoa, it's a security camera! Oh, it's his face.
That's not a smart idea,
What?
to have a fake security camera.
Why?
Because then people think that they have a security... These people got it, like if they're trying to rob someone, oh, they got a security camera, they can see me.
Sorry. I always wanted one of those cameras that you can like look at your phone and be like, oh my god, somebody's breaking in my house. You know what I'm talking about?
Oh, your thing's untied again.
Okay.
So we're going to find her mom, and we're going to go down the shower aisle, because I have to find her. So, yeah, that's what we're going to do.
Okay. So, Olivia just ran to get a cart, and now we are waiting for Olivia. I'm waiting for Olivia to come back with a cart so we can buy this stuff and go boom.
Okay guys, so right now we're in like the baby section because Dominique's mom is shopping, but right now, okay, there's a cup. We're in like I said, the baby section.
Can I open it?
Yeah. You know how there's like always like the line stroller? Well, some little kid left their cup here. Wait, the first time we opened this,
What?
steam came out. It had to be like juice or something because it's like really liquidy. Let's go.
So, we're making slime. So first you need borax, 4 ounces of glue. You need some water, a bowl, and food coloring if you want a color.
So we're searching a video for this. So I just added borax into this cup of water, and we made, I have my pink, she has her pink, do a little bit more, and she's adding her borax into her water, and I'm just going to add like that much, and then, oh my god, it literally already made slime. Look.
Is that enough? I mix this up.
Yeah, mix it with that. Okay, oh my god.
And then it would get to like a certain consistency, and then so we are rolling our things out with the roller because they aren't really turning into slime. Oh wait, you have a bubble. Oh, there was a bubble right there.
Now it's turning more into slime.
So they're turning into slime now.
So I'm putting mine in a bag and then closing it up super tight, and so that really like no air is going to get in or out, and we're going to let it sit for a little bit. Maybe it'll make it more slimy, and that's what we're going to do. Start editing this, but first we have to clean all this up. So we are going back to Dominique's room. We're going to be editing this video. I don't even know. Okay, I am in focus. We put our slime in bags because because ours wasn't, it was just breaking, and I was like, oh, let's put it in bags, see if it does anything, let like this everything sit or something.
I had on mine.
Yeah, so did I. And it did make a difference. Like, I will tell you, it like actually, first of all, ignore like everything that's in here, like her Justin Bieber with the kisses all over it.
7 years old.
But we're gonna let this sit, edit this vlog a little bit. So this vlog is pretty much
No, I'm not gonna vlog tomorrow, so.
all over the place. I don't know. Well, I'll tell you later. I'm gonna go into the bathroom because I have to pee really, really bad. Let this battery charge more. Edit, and we'll get back to you soon.
Okay, so Liv is asleep, or almost asleep. I'm trying to be really quiet because I don't want to be too loud. Everyone's almost asleep in my house. It's 11:33. So yeah, I just had to finish packing my bag and my makeup case for tomorrow. Oh my god, there's gel in my like forehead. We made our slime, and our slime, I can't really touch it because I had to get it off my hands because it made my hands pink from the food coloring, so I had to wash that off when I showered. My hair, I actually really like the way my hair looks now, but it's gonna go in a bun in the morning. I have a rehearsal at 9:30, so I have to be up at 7 because, actually I don't have to be up that early. I can be up, I'm gonna wake up at 7:15 because I don't need to be up now to shower because my shower takes like an hour. So I I just need to get up to wrap my bun and get ready for morning rehearsals.